Hi, welcome to Flyingvoice. I'm Albert. In the previous video, we already introduced the Flyingvoice products that use in the port replacement, like PR08 and LM150 and their features that applies to the modem, fax, and the contact ID. As we all know, TDOC30 was the original fax protocol that I used in the PSTN line, but it's not suitable for IP network because there will be some network unstable like network lag, network jitter to impact the fax transmission effects. TDOC30A was designed to transfer fax on IP network. So today we are going to build the environment to demonstrate how to use PR08 to send and receive fax. Also, we are going to introduce how to send fax under bad network connection and what's the effect under such scenarios. First, let's test the fax using the PR08, and now this to PR08 was connected via network cable. First, let's use the fax machine to dial the destination number. And wait for the call. When the call is established, we can insert the paper and send the button to start fax. Now the connection is established and start faxing. Now the fax transmission is successful and the fax effect is very great. Now let's test what's the effect on the LTE connection and sending the fax. We are going to use the LM150 as the LTE backup connection. And now we plug out the network cable to simulate the broadband failure. Then we use the same fax paper. We add the LTE connection here. To see, even under the LTE connection, its effects the same as the broadband connection. We insert the paper and start fax. Now the faxes start to transfer. You can tell by these indicators, the LTE connection was not great. Now, the blue light means it's in medium signal. Okay, the transmission is done. Let's see what's the effects under the bad network connection. You can see the font is still very clear and there is no content missing. Flyingvoice also provides a post-media SBC to support contact ID, fax, and modem under the bad network connection. If you are interested in our product or our SBC server, please contact us. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time.